Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we invited engineer Yu to explain the wiring process of the EPS foam granulator. The wiring of the EPS granulator mainly includes 5 parts. 1. Main power wire. 2. Aviation plug. 3. Hydraulic station oil pipe connection. 4. Oil pump. 5. Conveyor belt. The specific steps for wiring are as follows. Step 1. Connect 3 main wires and 1 neutral wire, making sure that the direction of the fan or motor rotation is consistent with the arrow indicated on it. Step 2. Match the numbers with the corresponding equipment. Connect the 6 aviation sockets to the EPS pelletizer machine electric control box. 1 for drying fan, 2 for cutter, 3 for high pressure fan, 4 for vibrating screen, 5 for feeding fan, 6 for crusher. Step 3. This is the oil outlet pipe. The blue valve is the pressure regulating valve of the oil pump. And this is the oil return pipe. The oil outlet pipe and the oil return pipe are connected to the reversing valve. Step 4. Connect the conveyor belt to the left side of the main electrical control box and connect the wire of the oil pump to the right side of the main electrical control box, as shown in the video. Above is everything about wiring. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.